Hey there, welcome to our step-by-step guide on using the free profile picture generator, powered by DALL-E 3. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a cute avatar from your photo, all thanks to the magic of AI. Step 1. Accessing the generator. First things first, head over to the free profile picture generator website. You can find the link in the description below. Once you're there, you'll see a simple and user-friendly interface. Step 2. Uploading your photo. Now, it's time to upload your photo. Remember, you can only try once per day due to high demand, so make sure you choose your photo wisely. Once uploaded, the AI will analyze your photo and describe it in words. Step 3. Generating your new image. After the analysis is complete, the AI gets to work and generates a brand new image from scratch based on your photo. It's truly fascinating to see how it interprets your features and transforms them into a cute avatar. Step 4. Checking out the results. Once the image is generated, take a moment to review it. You'll be amazed at the level of detail and creativity that goes into each avatar. And the best part? It's all done automatically, saving you time and effort. Step 5. Getting your professional headshot. If you're looking for a professional headshot, you're in luck. The same AI technology can also create professional headshots without the need for a physical photo shoot. It's a game changer for remote teams and individuals alike. Step 6. Exploring additional features. Before we wrap up, take some time to explore the additional features and options available on the website. From pricing information to examples and blog posts, there's a wealth of resources to help you make the most of this incredible tool. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can create a cute avatar or professional headshot using the free profile picture generator powered by DALL-E 3. Give it a try and see the magic for yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.